Hey now. Well, I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Come on, Gary. Yeah, I am sometimes up and I am sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. Still my soul feels heavily bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Matt LaMayo. That's Carmen on the top neck. Listen, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I am coming to, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Gary. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. coming for to carry me home. Well, all right.
Well, if it sounds as good out there as it does up here, Paul, we're going to have a
Right?
good night.
I think so.
Tell you one thing, this thing is right in my, I'm going to get another mic, folks. This thing is too big. Drives me, I can't see anything. Anyway, we're here coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. We had a few difficult things, technical again. I think we're going to be on the air, or one of my pages. I got like 3 or 4. So I think we're coming out. I think the sound's okay. I think I'm getting ready to feed back, but we'll know in a minute.
You get too much reverb.
So Bob Smith, my good friend Matt, who was the guest artist last week, take some of my reverb off a little, please, Dan, if you could. Called me and said, can I come up and just watch? I said, no, you can come up and play. You're not going to friggin' watch. But anyway, we got you on that one, so you can go now, and I'll get you back up later.
Thank you.
Matt, I just said, you know, that song needs harmonica.
And you were
there
so
you are.
right. And I'm so glad you were here.
On a Sunday, come on.
Well, don't go too far. I got more stuff. And you got a friend with you tonight. We might get him up and let him do it. You got to let me know what you want to do and give me a key. And if we know it, you can do it. So you talk to him and let me know whenever you're ready.
He only means your house key.
Yeah.
What is it? All this reverb over? Hello.
And
can
if
you
we don't know it,
get somebody to get a rope.
Yeah, we are in a well. If we don't know it, we might do it anyway.
Yeah, we do that all the time
I mean,
here.
knowing
Carmine's
not
Country
knowing
Club.
songs has never stopped us.
Well, so, this is like lately, we've been losing people close to my heart and in the music industry and people that really made a dent, that had something to say. And this last week, Larry Collins passed away. And the reason that's kind of a little special to me is because I went to school with Larry and Louie Collins back in 1957, 58, right around there. I forget, it might have been 58, 59, but it was in the 50s. And he was born October 1944. I was born in June of 44, so we were both the same age. I think I had him by 4 months. And he was one of the reasons I even started playing guitar, because when Mickey Rooney Jr. and I, who went to the school with us, we started to learn to play because of Larry Collins. And then, of course, Joe Memphis, he's right there, great. And Merle Travis, those were my idols, was Memphis, Merle, and then Burton came along with Ricky Nelson, and those were kind of the 3 guys that I just thought, well, I'm not going any further than this.
And when you met Larry, was he already on Town Hall Party?
Oh, absolutely. Man, we had a thing they used to do at the school called odd calls. And an odd call was a last-minute thing that one of the teachers, somebody would put together. And it was either during school or right after school, they would have a show, a music show. And the Collins kids always were there. And they were like pretty big stars back. Already? Oh, already. Oh, well, he had been on Town Hall Party since, I think, 56, 55 or 60, 56. Now here it is 2 or 3 years later. He's like 13, 14. We're the same age, and he's up there dancing. Those great Western suits he used to wear. I mean,
And what kind of guitar did he play?
well, that's the reason I'm playing this monstrosity. This thing tonight is, I always wanted to get a double neck when I was a kid and had no way to do that, of course, because Larry Collins played this guitar, this same model. So a fellow named Simi Mosley, who had Mosrite guitars, the Ventures in the 60s all played Mosrite. They had a Mosrite Venture model.
Sure did.
This guy made a little bit of money back then, I'll tell you. But anyway, about 35, 40 years ago, I got a hold of him and said, I want you to make me a Mosrite. Well, this is called a Joe Memphis 65 model, and it's very similar to all the ones he ever made for Joe and for Larry, but I got mine. And Kim, okay, I want to show the back of this guitar because when Ronnie Mack had Larry and Louie come down to Joe's Bar and Grill about, 10 years ago, 8 years ago?
It's at least, yeah.
I talked to Larry and Louie and said, I went to school, and then they remembered all that, and of course treated me great. They were great people. And I had them sign the back of my guitar. And I said, sign it big, don't give me a little, can you get a close-up of that? Can they read it? Okay, well, that's Larry and Lori Collins that I hadn't seen in, at that point, 45 years, 50 years since I'd seen them. And here they're playing down the street, so I went down. We had a great visit. Larry was so nice, and Lori. And later I'm going to show you a book. I have a book from 1957 from the school. It was called Hollywood Professional School. And you only went to school from 9 to 1. It wasn't a full day. They didn't have like football or baseball or a shop, you know, all that stuff. They just had reading, writing, and arithmetic.
Just the basics.
Anyway, let me strap this back on, and Paul, do another one, and then we'll get Gary to do one.
All
And then
right.
we're going to bring the little girl up.
We'll
Our
give a,
guest artist this week is, I can't say, what's her last name? Kim.
Leone.
What's her last, how do you say her
Piper
last name?
Leone.
Huh?
Piper Leone.
I know Piper Pot. Okay, Piper Leone. I still said it wrong.
all right, I'm going to do a song that
But she's beautiful, and I love her.
Larry Collins wrote, and there's a good chance he might have made more money off of this one song than he did off of any of the Laurie and Collins kids
might have.
things, because this was a huge, huge hit, and he wrote it with a guy named Alex Harvey.
And this thing weighs a ton, but it's okay. I'm going to play it in honor of Larry.
Key of E.
E.
Delta Dawn, what's that flower you have on? Could it be a faded rose from days gone by? And did I hear you say he was meeting you here today to take you to his mansion in the sky? He's 41 and her daddy still calls her baby. All the folks around Brownsville say she's crazy, 'cause she walks downtown with a suitcase in her hand, looking for a mysterious dark-haired man. Delta Dawn, what's that flower you have on? Could it be a faded rose from days gone by? And did I hear you say he was meeting you here today to take you to his mansion in the sky? In her younger days, they called her Delta Dawn, prettiest woman you ever laid eyes on, till a man of low degree stood by her side, promised her he'd take her for his bride. Delta Dawn, what's that flower you have on? Could it be a faded rose from days gone by? And did I hear you say she was meeting you here today to take you to his mansion in the sky? Delta Dawn, what's that flower you have on? Could it be a faded rose from days gone by? And did I hear you say he was meeting you here today to take you to his mansion in the sky? Delta Dawn, what's that flower you have on? Could it be a faded rose from days gone by? And did I hear you say he was meeting you here today to take you to his mansion in the sky? take you to his mansion in the sky. Thank you. Written by Carmen's good junior high school friend.
Well, I'm not going to lie and say we were close friends through all the years, but I knew him when a little bit, and I always loved him. I always loved his sister, Lori. You know, they broke up in 1959 because everybody said she went with Ricky Nelson. You know, I was back there then. I remember when that kind of happened, and I think sometimes they get two teenage idols and they try to make a story, you know. Because shortly after that, and I think it was 59, she married Johnny Cash's manager. So she, nothing to do with Ricky Nelson. But, and that was a big breakup, and that was very tough on Larry because they had a lot of momentum going. In 59, the Collins kids were hot. They were reaching out. They were doing good. And then she goes off with this other guy, and Larry's standing there like, well, okay. I got a double neck guitar and no sister. But anyway, yeah, he did fine, I'm sure. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Used to spend my nights at a barroom. Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. I stay stoned on your love all the time. Used to look for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle's always dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it, no, no. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. the time. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey, yeah, Tennessee whiskey. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey.
Good job. You ain't done yet. Gee, I was pretty fast on that. It's all right.
Came out west together with a common desire. Fever we had might have set the West Coast on fire. 2 months later, got trouble in mind. Oh, my baby moved out and left me behind. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Oh, the way he left sure turned my head around. It seems like overnight he just up and put me down. Ain't gonna let it bother me today. I've been working and I'm too tired anyway. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Well, I'm 1,600 miles from the people I know. And I've been doing all I can, but opportunity sure comes so. And I'd be in the sun all day, but I've been sweeping out a warehouse in West LA. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Yeah, it's
I got one. My turn.
Well, I'm 1,600 miles, 1,300 miles from the people I know. And I've been doing all I can, but opportunity sure comes slow. And I'd be in the sun all day, but I've been sweeping out a warehouse in West LA. But it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Yeah, it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine. Yeah, it's alright, 'cause it's midnight and I got 2 more bottles of wine.
Damn! This girl can sing. You got another one?
It's not like you didn't show any signs. I drove by 'em every night. I just chose not to read 'em. But I won't forget sitting on the front porch step. You showed me who you are again, and I finally believed it. And I can unsee the truth, I cannot read the room, but I can't close the door. 'Cause I'm always gonna love you, but I don't like you anymore. Were you always mean like this and I just didn't see what was right in front of me? Or is this just you changing? Was it all a lie? Were you only ever playing nice? 'Cause you knew that's what I would like. Now you don't bother to fake it. And I cannot see the truth, I cannot read the room, but I can't close the door. 'Cause I'm always gonna love you, but I don't like you anymore. Sorry, I thought you were taking it again. You made so many enemies, I just thought I'd be the exception. But you were only good to people who you cared about impressing. And I used to be one of those. I guess you don't care what I think now. So you won't mind if my time for you and your lies is running out. And I cannot see the truth, I cannot read the room, but I can't close the door. I cannot see the truth, I cannot read the room, but I can't close the door. 'Cause I'm always gonna love you, but I don't like you anymore.
Yeah, man. And I want to thank Piper for, she's our guest artist, and then Larry Collins obviously passed away this week, and so I'm kind of doing two things at once: the Hollywood Professional Collins Kids Days, and letting Piper come up and do her thing. And so because of this, we're going to have her back again soon where she can just do the whole hour and we won't be sidetracked by all this other nonsense. Anyway.
What do you
right
got
on.
there? What's that?
Well,
What's that a picture
now,
of?
I'm going to tell you, there's something Buddy and I and everybody, all those pictures, Johnny Cash, that picture of the 3 guitars is James Burton's, a thing that he made, and I got a copy of it. And of course, this fella here on the guitar and the steel, that's Jimmy Bryant and Speedy West. I'm going to keep going. Now, you guys know these other, pretty much you should know these people. Lefty Frizzell, I think I knocked my guitar out of tune. Lefty Frizzell and Joe and Rose Lee Maphis, right there. And then on the end, everybody knows Hank Williams. Now, this is something that Buddy and I and all these people I just showed you up there have in common, and that is that we all played on Town Hall Party.
Town Hall Party.
1958, 59, around there.
It had to be 58. It's
Yeah,
Just
it was
about
there. It was
58,
in there.
59.
The Collins kids were on the show. Joe Maphis, my idol. Him and Rose Lee, of course. Memphis. So they had a little, like an amateur show, and Tony and Buddy and I went down and auditioned at Channel 5, and they called us and said, you're on the show. So we got to go do a song on town with those guys backing us. They were all back there playing and singing. And we did one song.
We did
Go ahead.
one song. You have to understand something. My brother Tony, my brother Carmine, they were going to do Town Hall Party. And my dad said, what about your brother Buddy?
That's
and
right.
He said, Buddy doesn't play anything. I was like, 13 years old. And my dad said, it's okay, give him some drumsticks. My dad went to town, to Wallach's Music City.
Hollywood, Sunset and Vine.
And bought me a snare drum, which I still have. And he said, all you do is just keep on banging it. So I said, okay. So I just bang it. Well, we got on stage, and the guy said, okay, you play the drums. They had this 18-piece drum set up on a riser. And I said, what the hell?
What am I going to do
And
with
Carmen
this?
said, just keep banging. And I did.
Anyway, real quick, Tony couldn't make it tonight. So, Kim, if you can get a close-up of this. This is a yearbook from I think it's 57, from Hollywood Professional School. People like Brenda Lee and Ned Funicello, Mickey Rooney Jr.,
Jim
the
Mitchum.
Collins kids, Jim Mitchum, Robert Mitchum's son.
Kurt Russell.
Kurt Russell went there. Kurt Russell, and all kinds of other kids. I mean, so many names in this book. And we were lucky we got to go there for a couple of years and hang out with you. Okay, so here's my brother Tony at Hollywood Professional School, right where my finger is, playing the harmonica. Now, he had to be 15. He was around 15, I think, when this was. Did you get a shot of that? And the only reason I'm showing you this is because he couldn't come up tonight and tell you about it himself. But those were the good old days. We had so much fun. It was kind of the start of the rockabilly thing, movement. And, Bill Haley and the Comets were I remember them as being one of the first kind of rock and roll kind of bands, coming off the big band swing stuff and getting down to the combo stuff and playing that Gretsch guitar and all those kind of sounds they got. Who else?
No, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I thought you said another name.
I'm just agreeing with you.
Yeah, am I right so far, kind of? So anyway, we went to school with these people. Now I'm going to show you a picture. And like I told you earlier, this guitar is almost identical to the one he played for years because I had Simi Mosley make this for me. So, for those of you who don't know, I got to find the page with the friggin' paper in it. There it is. And boy, do I remember this. You remember these pages, buddy?
I remember everything.
Okay, so let's kind of take a shot of that. And Larry and Lori signed this book to Tony's wife, Carol. Tony and Carol met at Hollywood Professional School when they were like 15, 16 years old, and they ended up getting married, and they've been married for 60 years. And so there's Larry and Lori Collins. You guys look them up on YouTube. They were really something for their time. I'll tell you, they were ahead of their time. Okay, you get enough of that? Can I put it away? Okay, now the rest of the show is just going to be music and fun. Larry, we love you. Lori, of course. To Larry's family, God bless you all. And have had a couple of great kids there doing a lot of good music. It was a lot of fun to get to see that. Okay, buddy, what are you going to sing for us?
Let's do a old Ricky Nelson tune. There'll never be anyone else but you for me.
1, 2, 3.
There'll never be anyone else but you for me. Never ever be, just couldn't be anyone else but you. If I could take my pick of all the girls I've ever known, well then I'd come and pick you out to be my very own. There'll never be anyone else for you, for me. Never ever be, just couldn't be anyone else but you. A heart that's true and longs for you is all I have to give. 'Cause all my love belongs to you as long as I may live. There'll never be anyone else for you, for me. Never ever be, just couldn't be anyone else but you. You got it, Gary. Never will forget the way you kiss me. And when we're not together, I wonder if you miss me. For I hope and pray the day will come when you'll belong to me. Well then I'm gonna prove to you how true my love could be. There'll never be anyone else for you, for me. Never ever be, just couldn't be anyone else but you. Never ever be, just couldn't be anyone else but you. And he did not go to Hollywood professional.
No, he didn't, but you know what? Ricky Nelson, he did date Lori Collins for a while.
Yeah, he did.
He did, oh yeah. Yeah, they were together for a while, and then they broke up, and then she married Johnny Cash's
Okay, I'll
manager.
let you get on.
Buddy, I love you. Thanks for coming up
Yeah,
and talking
thank you,
about
guys.
Hollywood Professional School and the Collins kids with us.
Next time I think he should beat on the drums.
Yeah. Next time, buddy, we'll put you on the drums and we'll capture that moment.
Tell you what, with that drum lesson.
Paul,
I don't
do
wanna,
something
you
and
know,
then we'll get back. Oh, I love that song.
Me and Rob enjoy singing this one together. Should I say Rob and I? So I wanted to invite my friend so you guys could hear Rob.
I'm Rob.
Well,
Well, hey,
good to
thanks,
have you,
guys.
buddy.
This is cool. I've been enjoying myself thoroughly, so thank you.
Kiwi?
Yep. Hear
That lonesome whippoorwill, he sounds too blue to fly.
the moon just went.
I tread his wide and low. I'm so lonesome I could cry.
Robin,
Have you ever seen a robin weep when leaves began to die? That means he's lost the will to live.
I'm
So lonesome I could cry. Let's hear a little organ from Gary
Gary.
Swan. Yeah. You ever seen a night so long and time goes crawling by? Moon just went behind the clouds to hide his face and cry. Let's hear a little guitar. Yeah, Matt. Harmonica now. The silence of a falling star lights up a purple sky. And as I wonder where you are, I'm so lonesome I could cry. I'm so lonesome I could cry. Yeah, thanks.
talent tonight. All right, give it ready.
There's a bottle on the dresser by your ring, and it's empty. Right now I don't feel a thing. I'll be hurting when I wake up on the floor, but I'll be over it by noon. That's a difference between whiskey and you. Come tomorrow, I can walk in any store. It ain't a problem, no, no. They'll always sell me more. But your forgiveness, that's something I can't buy, or anything that I can do. That's a difference between whiskey and you. One's a devil, and one keeps driving me insane. At times I wonder if they ain't both the same. One's a liar, helps to hide me from my pain, and one's a long gone bit of truth. That's a difference between whiskey and you. a problem, but it ain't like what you think. I drink because I'm lonesome, and I'm lonesome because I drink. If I don't break down and bring it on myself, it'll hit out of the blue. That's the difference between whiskey and you. One's a devil, and one keeps driving me insane. At times I wonder, oh, if they ain't both the same. One's a liar that helps to hide me from my pain, and one's a long gone bitter truth. That's the difference between whiskey and you. Yeah, that's the difference between whiskey and you. Thank you. Whippoorwill sing, yeah. Soft summer breeze makes me think of my baby. I left down in New Orleans. I left down in New Orleans. Magnolia is sweet, babe. You're driving me mad. I gotta get back to you, baby. You're the best I've had. You're the best I've had. You whisper good morning so gently in my ear. I'm coming home to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there. driving me mad. Gotta get back to you, baby. You're the best I've had. You're the best I've had. You're the best I've had. You're the best I've had.
What a great song! Great job! Do whatever you want to stand back and play. So we're going to have Dr. Teresa, my very good friend. We started back at Viva Cantina many years ago, and I've played with her many times, and she always gets, always does a fun show. So a lot of people in the Valley know her. And, of course, we have Dr. Kathy out there, her friend. And okay, what are you going to do?
Crying time again.
Crying time again with key?
Key of G.
Key of G, crying time.
As in it's crying time again.
What do you want it? What do you want it? Yeah.
I'll hear it. I'll follow
Go ahead.
you guys.
There it is. Give me a tempo. Is that a good tempo? Yep.
Yeah. Oh, it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and that tears are really rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I lived to be 100 years old. Oh, it's crying time again, you're going to leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say you found someone that you love better. That's the way it's happened every time before. And as sure as that sun comes up tomorrow, crying time will start when you walk out the door. Oh, it's crying time again, you're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. That it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh yeah, these guys are so good, aren't they?
Thank you, Dr. Kathy.
I am an old heart's desire, this old house would have burned down a long time ago. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to believe in this living is just a hard way to go. When I was a young girl, I had me a cowboy. He wasn't much to look at, just a free rambling man. But that was a long time, and no matter how I try, those years just flow by like a broken down dam. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to believe in this living is just a hard way to go. There's flies in the kitchen, I can hear them buzzing, and I ain't done nothing since I woke up today. Tell me, how the hell can a person go to work in the morning and come home in the evening and have nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to believe in this living is just a hard way to go. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. I've got your picture that you gave me. It still looks the same as it used to be. The only thing different, the only thing new. I've got your picture, she's got you. I've got your records that we used to share, and they still sound the same as when you were here. got your class ring that proved you care, and it's still signed like when you were here. The only thing different, the only thing new, I've got the class ring, she's got you. I've got your memory, or has it got me? I really don't know, but I know it won't let me be. I've got your class ring that proved you care, and it's signed with love, like class rings are not signed. Like when you were here, the only thing different and new, I've got your class ring, she's got you. I've got you.
Different.
The only thing new, I've got your class ring.